Driver Squad, what's going on? Trace right back with another video. Bad do some trading. This is what I like to do. I like to start analyzing the market. This is a trading platform that I was using when I was doing Forex. I'm noticing a trend. I see that it's rejecting right here on the 1 hour mark. I see it's slightly going down. So I like to work my way from the hour to the 30-minute to the 15 to the 10 to the 5. See how it's kind of resisting that level right there. So now you get deeper in detail to see what's really going on. See, it's trying to make a little push right there, but it ain't got enough. Okay, so it crossed on that one. I got $2.60. Then I'm gonna get in. My entry is 756. It stays below that for a minute. I win. So this is what I like to do. This is what I was doing uh around, I ain't gonna say COVID, but I wanna say 2023, no, not 2023, not 2021. Dang. What was I doing around 2021? Nope. So it was like 2020. I was on this almost every night. You see how it just dropped drastically? That's good. That means it's pushing down real further. See if I can see that. There we go. Much better. We have. Let me see. Show y'all. I got the envelopes. I got a moving average on. Got a momentum on the MACD and the Kettner channels. These are the indicators I have on. They all basic, but I mainly just pay attention to if anything crossed this white line right here, which is my moving average, and my Kettner challenge or my envelopes, they run kind of similar. But I'll at least wait to see like if it be like a little momentum swing, and I'm just make my decision based off of the hour, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just break it down like this. You see, everything is pushing down. You got the white line going down. You got the big blue going down, and then you got the green and yellow lines going down as well. Now, let's say if this goes green, I would think, oh, it's going to retest to try to make its way up here or something like that, and it's going to be a strong uptrend coming. But since I didn't see that, I wanted to investigate to see on the smaller scale what these other candles were doing within the 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, the 10-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, the 3-minute, 2-minute, and the 1-minute, just to see what it was doing. And you see that we already caught this candle, but now it's making its push back up because on the hour it is trying to go across and cross this line to retest up. So probably the next few hours it's either going to push up a little bit more or it's just going to reject, and it's just going to be a strong out, and then it's going to continue to go down. But we already earned our money on AUD USD, and we got that, so we don't have to worry about that. Here is the time that you can change to whatever time that you want to change it to. You can change it from a minute, 3 seconds, 15 seconds, all the way up to 4 hours. I do mine a minute. This is what you can change whatever your price is. I got $56.99, so I'm gonna change this to $1.99. I wanna stay above $55 right now. So now I just go look for my next trade and try to. Okay, gotta make sure I put this on the charger real quick. Let me get my charger. I thought this was charging. No, this was not the wrong one. This wasn't even plugged up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got 2 more minutes into it's a new candle forming right here. I'm noticing that it crossed the green and yellow, but it's not pushing down. So we're gonna look for something new. AUD CAD, this should be start. Put that up there. This is trying to do a retest. Let me investigate. Let me see how high did it get. So this was the retest. It jumped out right here, and now it's ready to go down. See what this 2 minute talking like. Let this 2 minute for. Yeah, it's looking like it's ready to cross, but let's look at the hour and see if it's a red candle or a green candle. So it's a green candle. So within this green candle, you want to look for buys because it's telling you the results of this whole what it's been doing this whole hour. This whole hour has been on the uptrend. So sometimes when it jumps outside the blue line, it kind of goes back in, so it can kind of test that they moving average. So it's kind of like you just looking for that bob and weave pattern. But let's go back to AUD CAD, and I want to check to see what is gonna open it. If it's gonna reject it, or is it gonna revert. So I'm gonna go to the minute. It's looking like it's gonna stay up, or is it just gonna swing up? So on the MACD, if this was crossing over the zero, it's gonna be a strong sell. But since it's still above the zero, it still got a possibility of going up. So we don't want to make our move too quick. Let's see. It's looking like it's not ready to reject it. It went down to 13, and I'm looking at this right here, that blue line. I don't know why. Oh, okay. I'm just looking at this right here. See, it say 40. The lowest it got was 13. So it's not ready to drop all the way. If it get close to like 20, I'm gonna get the buy. Okay, I got it at 25. I see that it's not fully ready to drop down, and it still want to go up. So let's go to the 3 minute marker to see what's happening. Let me try to get it, zoom it in a little bit so y'all can see. Did I just get faked out? I guess I just been faked out. It's definitely making that crossover, but it's not on the zero side. Yep, I just got faked out. Or is it gonna make a strong push up? We're gonna find out. We got what? Nope, it's not even close. It's going down. Alrighty, so we lost that. We 1-1. Okay. So that means it's ready to keep on going down. It's ready to cross. It's ready to head that way. Can't fake me out and not follow suit. Go on and go down. It's ready to meet the bottom. On the 10-minute marker, it's looking like it's trying to find its moving average at 821. So it's gonna leave these nines and drop all the way down. It's giving a red candle. See how long it stays in the red. So it's dropping. It's in the eights, 864. We got one more second, and we won. Let's stay above $55. Go to $2.30. This is still on the bottom trend. It's still looking for that 821 number. So it just popped back up to 890. I'm still gonna follow it down to that that 821. That's where it's trying to get to. It's trying to go down further, especially within this 10-minute mark. It's definitely trying to touch. It's trying to at least touch it. So now we just gotta wait. We got 20 seconds. It's trying to go down. But okay, we got a wick. We got a wick that just formed. That means it's definitely touching that 8291. So now we got a strong push, got a strong save, and that's how we got that. Let's stay above $58. $1.49. Okay, there you go. There go the big push we was looking for. So now it definitely rejected all of this. So this strong green candle lets me know that wasn't nothing. So now we got 5 minutes. A new candle about to form on the 5 minute. That rejected. So now we in. We got a strong sale, another strong sale coming up. Let's follow it. Let's look a little bit closer. Go back to the 1 minute so it can be closer. So now you got a strong sale coming in. A lot of sales coming in. They see what's going on. It's rejecting it. Look at that strong sale. So we started with, what was that, $52? So I'm learning that I have to focus on the units and accumulating my wins, because there are times where mistakes are happening where I can win, but I can also lose. So just right here we have, let me pull up a calculator. So we got, let me see. Oh dang, it ain't gonna show me like long form. What standard graphic currency programming date? Let me see, what's this? Nah, I don't want to see this. Linked volume scientific. Nah, I don't want to see that. Graphic. Nah. Actually, I probably could do this. Let's see. Let's let's put in the value. So we have. No, I ain't gonna do that tonight. I'll figure that out later. But we won. Let me see our first trade. We won $2.39, and then we lost $1.99, and then we won $2.30, and then we won $2.12. And then we won $1.31. Oh, my bad. $1.31. So just this trading session alone, within 16 minutes, we made $6.11, which is very good. Because let's just say if I wanted to compound my winnings or whatever, it could have been like $2. I would have moved to my next trading. I would have started with $4.99, but I would have lost it. So that would have been $4.99. I would have lost that, and then I would have took my $2.50 and then did $2.30. I would have profit $2.30, and I would have took this $4.80 times 80, and then times this by uh, what's this? 90. What was that? 92%. So, nah, that ain't right. Yeah, that is right. 4.8 plus 4.4 plus 4.8. Okay, so then I would have had to bet $9.20. So times this by 92 cents, and let me add that. That would have been 9 point, probably 2. Either way, it would have been $17. And then I would have had to times this by 0.92%, 17.68 plus 17.68. So I would have won $33 off of those 3 trades, which it would have got me to a higher number rate. But the moral of the story is we went 4 trades on one. I would take this 4 trades on one any day. And I also have to get better at just taking my 4-to-1 trades. I'm okay with winning $6 for the day, because we started with $52 and now we moved to $60.73. So now the goal is to make sure I don't go below $59. So my next trade would be $1.73. But we're gonna keep on pushing forward because we we moving forward. So had that little breakout. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, we got a breakout right here. It's deciding what I want to do. This is a strong green candle that's still conforming. On breakouts on higher time frames, it shows you what the candles is actually doing. And then if you really want to look in details, it's going to show you on the smaller side, on the minutes, what it's really want to do. So you see it's breaking out, but it don't have enough buys coming in to do the breakout. So now you got a lot of momentum pushing down on the weak side, and it's showing you that it's a sale coming up. So now I'm just waiting to see what is it actually going to do. Is it going to really take the sale, or is it going to pop back up? It says it's going to take the sale. So now you just see what is it really going to do. This is the candle, because it might just stop right there and shoot straight up, but you never want to be too sure, or you don't want to be wrong either. So I'm gonna let them have it. I'm done looking at this. I made my money off of that. So let's move on. I made my money off of AUD USD. Let's look at CAD. So we got a breakout coming right here. It's pushing up. Let's look at the hour. Still a lot of sales going on. So we're gonna let them do it as much pushing up as possible. See it's coming up. When they had that breakout out of this blue, then we're gonna get back in because it's time for sales. You see how it's been riding. It's just showing you the pattern of the flow. And ultimately, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Now we just waiting for it to try to come up as much as it trying as possibly as it can. Then it's gonna revert back to a downtrend. But all it's trying to do is trying to get close to, what's this? It's trying to get close to 325. So it's trying to work its way back up there, but it might not even work its way back up there. It might just work its way to 111. But we're going to see what it's going to do. Yep, it's trying to, look, it's trying to push. We're going to get in right here. I'm going to get in at 23. I'm going to get in right there. It's trying to make its way on the push and just keep coming up for a little bit. That's all it's trying to do. It's trying to push us up to that 111. It's going to come close to this third because it already crossed the green and yellow. It already crossed. So now we're just watching to see what it's going to do. On the 1 minute mark, it's pushing up. 2 minutes, it's pushing up. It's giving you a strong push. It shows you when these candles cross the lime green and the green, and it's pushing up, the white cross over that line as well. It's just showing a strong uptrend, and you just gotta flow with the trend. That's it. Look at that strong. So now it's about to reject that and do a hard pullback because it just went outside. But if you never paid attention to this green on the hour, you didn't know that. But it's definitely trying. It might not get up here, but it's definitely trying to get close to this wick, or at least break this structure right here where the candle opened it and then it closed down here on this previous candle. But it's gonna get to 111, and watch what it do. It's gonna reject it. So now we just waiting for that 111 coming back. Once it come, it's gonna go just like this. It's gonna push up and then it's gonna go straight down. So now we're just gonna wait for it. We're just gonna wait to see it set up. This is where you develop patience. So now we over the $60 mark. Let's go to $2.32. We made $10 today. Should I keep going? This is a 24-minute video. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going. If y'all like this content, let me know. I'm not no guru or nothing like that, but I can hide my data. But yep, this is it. This is me right here, CJ. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Chase Way out. Peace.